Hey guys, I'm Shane. Welcome back to TPG. I just want to say Happy New Year to everybody, and I hope that everybody had an amazing Christmas time. And if you got some new camera gear, good for you. I'm glad. Look, today I just wanted to have a short little video where I'm going to challenge everybody a little bit. I've been watching a lot of videos online, having a look at what people are posting, what they're not posting, things like this. And I'm seeing obviously people jump on the trends that go along and whatever, and all these kind of things. Like, oh, all photographers are now leaving mirrorless and going back to DSLR. What a bunch of crap! Please, it's nonsense. Then you might as well say they're going back to film, or then forgetting photography and going back to painting. I mean, come on, it's a bunch of nonsense. People just looking for views and all that kind of crap. Look, if you use a DSLR, good for you. If you use film, good for you. If you use mirrorless, good for you. As long as it goes click, who bothers? Who cares? It really doesn't matter. What matters is what you're actually creating with it. And we don't need to go around and buy a million courses and buy this and then you'll be a professional in 6 months, and that's a bunch of nonsense. Photography is something that's learned and only learned daily, and it's over years. It's not a then we go on and just shoot raw, and then you can fix it in post. AI will magically remove and fix and straighten and bring new skies and whatever. What's the point of that? Buy some bloody filters, stick it over the front of your lens, nice graduated filters or whatever, put a colored one in front, get creative, like a bit old school, and you'd have far better quality and control because it's yours. You created it. We go on to things like where people are saying, oh, look at all the noise in the image and they must be noiseless. Oh, I must shoot this image and then denoise it so it looks like plastic. Bro, come on. Be honest. I mean, we don't all need to shoot a certain way, and we don't need to all shoot like this, and I get it. But we need to have some of our own vision, surely. Don't shoot JPEG, shoot JPEG. Can't shoot at this aperture, you must shoot at this aperture. If you can't do this, come on. Read your manual, understand your camera, then go click it for yourself. If it doesn't work, set it again. Oh, that's rubbish. Change the settings again. That's more like what I like. Look at photography books. Look at real photographers. Go and look at exhibitions, galleries. Go and look. Get 6 inches from a print and go, wow, I see what he was doing. Don't sit on YouTube and have these people, and I'm not trying to be a rant video here, really I'm not, but I'm just getting really frustrated with the stuff that's out there because people are learning nonsense. And then yes, by all means, people must also make available things for people to learn from, but you don't need to learn from everyone, that's for sure. Rather look at the very best and take what they know, because they know what they know because it's been over years. That is where you need to be. And everybody is at different levels in their photography. Everyone understands things differently to others, sees differently, and that's the point. But in this video, I'm just going to put out some images that I've shot. Very hot day here in Africa. But what impressed me mostly was the very stillness of everything. There was like an absolute quiet, with a massive skies that you only kind of get in Africa. But have a look at them. I'm going to ask you some questions in there, and you already know the answers to them. So stop chasing quick fixes or edit like this, because anybody can edit for Instagram. Anybody can have a picture look beautiful, this big, little inch by an inch or whatever it is on Instagram. That's not difficult. You could shoot that with your phone and say it was shot with a Hasselblad. Nobody would know the difference. So shoot what you shoot, understand some of the technical stuff, and go from there. Then do your photography. Don't be stuck in, I need to understand how the aperture blade works inside with the springs and how much tension's on the spring. Who gives a crap? Shoot your pictures, have fun, buy some filters, get nice graduated filters, spend some money on some hardware, maybe use some lights, get creative with flash, stuff like this, whatever it is, because there's so many different genres. But learn from people who are giving stuff to you for free, that are actually got their own websites, that are actually working photographers. These are the people that got the experience in all different fields, because they can take that and apply to many different genres of photography, not just one little sector. So have a look at the video, enjoy some of the images, and you can answer the questions for yourself, and then you can go forward with your own photography. But remember, you have to create the pictures. Don't follow somebody else's style or look or presets or whatever. Don't do that. It's your photography, your camera, you shoot. I'll be back very soon with a new video as well. So happy 2026 to everybody.